फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 7 का इंग्लिश बाल भारती लेसन 2.3 अब्दुल बिकेम अ कॉर्टियर इस लेसन का वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। इसमें हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, फ्रॉम द प्ले फाइंड ऑल द वर्ड्स दैट आर रिलेटेड टू द फॉलोइंग। प्लेस में ये वर्ड से रिलेटेड जो भी वर्ड है वो हमें राइट करने हैं। एड अदर रिलेटेड वर्ड यू नो टू द लिस्ट, और अगर आपको जो अदर वर्ड भी मालूम है उससे रिलेटेड वो भी आपको लिस्ट में राइट करने हैं। सो ये रही फर्स्ट वर्ड की लिस्ट। नॉलेज एंड लर्निंग ये वर्ड है। सो इससे रिलेटेड वर्ड इरुडिशन, बुक्स, स्टडी, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स, स्कूल, रीड्स, स्टूडेंट, लर्न, स्कॉलर, philosophy, astronomy, Arabic, Persian, brain, library, intelligence, memory, teacher। नेक्स्ट वर्ड है फैब्रिक्स। इससे रिलेटेड वर्क प्लेस में, और हमें जो मालूम है वो वर्ड है सिल्क, ब्रोकेड, वेलवेट, कॉटन, सैटिन, लिनेन। बुक्स के रिलेटेड वर्ड्स स्टडी, manuscripts, school, reads, student, scholar, library, jackets, chapters, pages, titles। Work, clerk, office, keeper, duties, schedule, salary, chores। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग। ये हमें डिस्कस करना है। अब्दुल गेट्स व्हाट ही वांट इन द एंड। What is the major factor that contribute to the success? सक्सेस की कंट्रीब्यूशन में कौन सा मेजर फैक्टर है? एंडिंग में ये हमें यहाँ पे देखना है, डिस्कस करना है। His learning of books, his intelligence, his attitude, his relation with other people, his luck। इसका आंसर है his attitude। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, the emperor says he had realized earlier that Abdul has great talent. Does this tally with his action? Give your opinion। तो आंसर है no, it does not, but according to me the emperor wants to know whether Abdul could put all his knowledge into practical use। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, write a letter from Abdul to emperor requesting the emperor to give Abdul a suitable job। अब्दुल से एम्परर को लेटर लिखना है। अब्दुल को एम्परर से सुटेबल जॉब चाहिए इस सब्जेक्ट पे। तो आंसर है अब्दुल खान, किताब घर, स्टेशन मार्ग, दौलत नगर, 00011 27 मई 2017। His Majesty the Emperor, चांदनी महल, निजाम नगर 000222। सब्जेक्ट है humble request for the position of courtier। I, Abdul Khan, a resident of Daulat Nagar, very humbly request you to appoint me as a courtier in your estimated court। I have been working as a clerk in Kitab Ghar for post 1 year। I have made a study of philosophy, astronomy, Arabic and Persian, and now consider a scholar। I am a hard worker and work with zeal and passion। I solemnly promise to give my best to whatever duties I am giving at your majesty court। I once again humbly request your majesty to respond to my sincere prayer। Many thanks। Your humble and obedient servants, Abdul Khan। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, rewrite the plays in the form of a short story। जो प्लेस दी गई है उसको हमें शॉर्ट स्टोरी में राइट करना है। तो आंसर ये है अब्दुल द अचीवर। Once upon a time, during the reign of Emperor Akbar, there lived a very humble school teacher। He had an equally humble and down-to-earth son named Abdul। Abdul dreamed of becoming a scholar। His father could not found him for the books because they were very costly. His father tried to borrow books from the school library but was unsuccessful. Abdul was disheartened. He hit upon a brilliant idea to solve his problem. He decided to work for the rich instead of taking money for services. He requested them to allow him to read the books in their stores. Abdul read and became a learned scholar that too one in a million. Now that he had completed his education, he aspired to work in the emperor office. The emperor heard of him and was ready to appoint him. He was first put in charge of the Murgi Khana. Abdul was disappointed at first but then decided to put in his best. His efforts paid him well. The hens were healthier than before. The emperor was surprised that Abdul had not used any money from the treasury. The emperor was worried that the hens had died, but Abdul told the emperor that all the hens were in peak of health because was feeding them with the leftovers from the emperor kitchen which was free of cost and the hens enjoy and that was the secret of their health. The emperor was happy and put him in charge of the library. Abdul was unhappy. He aspired to be a courtier. He took his job too as a challenge and started making challenge in the library. A year later, when the emperor entered the library, he was shocked to see that all the books had a very expensive covering. He thought that his would have cost a fortune. Abdul classified the emperor doubts and told him that it has cost nothing because he used the rich discarded fabrics of the bags in which requests were sent to the emperor. Abdul said that he had asked the royal tailors to stitch the jacket and cover for the books. The emperor was so impressed that he immediately appointed Abdul his courtier. Moral है waste not want not. Question number 5 है suggest at least one method of creating something useful for beautiful from waste. वेस्ट से कुछ ब्यूटीफुल एंड समथिंग क्रिएटिंग बनाने की अगर कुछ मेथड है, कम से कम एक मेथड आपको यहाँ पे सजेस्ट करनी है. आंसर है यूज प्लास्टिक बॉटल कैन बी यूज एज पॉट्स फॉर प्लांट्स. दिस would reduce waste and add beauty to the surrounding. Second method है use coconut shells can be used for craft to make musical instrument like the tabla etc. Third one है pista shells can be used to fill in drawings, adding beauty to the drawing. You came up with some more ideas. Question number 6 है write about how you take care of your books. आप आपकी बुक की केयर कैसे करते हो, इसके अबाउट आपको राइट करना है. Answer I see to it that my books are always covered with my name written on it. I do not throw my books anywhere. I keep it neatly whether in my bag or on my table at home. I do not eat or drink anything with my books in front of me so as to avoid spilling and getting oil stain on my books. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like करो, कमेंट करो, शेयर करो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.